We're busy, so busy, canceling all the kids. Dizzy, we're dizzy, getting them for what they did. It's racist this and transphobe that. No sir, yes sir, top of fat. We'll go here and there and back. We're busy, busy, busy. We're busy, so busy, with drama of all kinds. Rare items, opinions, and other things we'll find. We might be here, we might be there, not a second we can spare. Now the pain is in the air, we're busy, busy, busy. Occasionally, it's time to take a rest. Without the wars, guys, really it's the best. Our heads are cool, all is peace, but then it's rise and shine, look at the time, 'cause off we go again. We're busy, so many things to do. Debating gets grating when done the whole day through. When one does something, all will ask, where's the logic, where's the facts? Even though our brains are racked, we're busy, busy, busy. Oh my god, my vocal cords are straining, help! Big users, though, they can't do any wrong. Their content's good, so we don't give a dong. It all makes sense, they can't do anything bad. Wait, now we care 'cause they weren't fair and now we're really mad. We're busy, still busy, canceling all the kids. Dizzy, we're dizzy, getting them for what they did. It's sexist this and edgelord that. No sir, yes sir, top of fat. We'll go here and there and back. We're busy, 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 busy. So busy with drama of all kinds. Rare items, opinions, and other things we'll find. We might be here, we might be there, not a second we can spare. Now the pain is in the air. Okay, you know what? No, I'm not doing all this. Well, do you want my vocal cord to break? I quit this job. Goodbye.